What's our address here again?
12513 42nd Avenue Northeast.
12513 42nd Ave Northeast. Date is December 17th, 2020. I'm about 120 feet down the line from the clean out here under the deck of the home. We're looking at what I believe to be the city main sewer. It's dropping into a larger diameter pipe. According to the map, we should be right in the middle of the road out there where we join the main. So coming back from this point is going to be the responsibility of the homeowners of 12513 and the neighbor to the west. To the west. So this is a shared line between these two homes. It's a 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line. We're going to come back from this point, get a good look at the line, and make any observations we need to. So the responsibility of the homeowners ends there. As we come back and the city takes over, and as we come back, this is the shared responsibility of these two homeowners. So 6-inch diameter, original concrete sewer line to the homes when they were built. See, it gets aggregate along the bottom. I mean, it's just from sewage running over it for the last 50, 60, 70 years. That concrete just gets worn. Same as the sidewalk in the rain, it just starts getting rough over the top of the pipe's nice and smooth because obviously the sewage isn't running along the top of the pipe. As long as it's flowing along the bottom. So we dove quite a bit down there. We're going to come back up this slope here now, or pretty good grade. 20-something% grade there, going down there. Flatten back out a bit. So sewer system designed to have 2% grade. It looks like your system has enough, at least that. You're going pretty sharp downhill this whole way. So no grade issue. Only issue I've seen thus far would just be how rough it is. Eventually what happens is the bottom of the pipe just wears out from water running over it for so long, and eventually runs to just dirt, and then the dirt starts kind of eroding beneath the sewer and it'll collapse. I don't see that you are necessarily at that point. The good thing about the 6-inch diameter concrete, it's a little thicker, the walls of it, so it lasts a little bit longer. Well, I'll send this video to you, and you can forward it along to him.
And it'll have your narration also?
Yep, it's going to have all this. It's going to have this conversation we're having right now. So a pretty straight shot down here between on this driveway. All the way to the main. It's pretty dang straight.
Okay. Now.
Yep, we're still in the common shared section. You got a little bit of what you can see was roots coming in maybe at the top there. TJ cleaned out, or Tim, I don't know what he's calling himself, customer these days. TJ. I've always called him TJ, but lately I've been hearing Tim. So here we go, dropping into that common line.
Okay.
Right here. Yeah, it's kind of tough to tell to the untrained eye, but we're going from a smaller diameter 4-inch pipe, which is the same size as this stuff right here, and then it's kind of coming into a turn where it's basically easing into this larger diameter 6-inch pipe, and that's happening right here.
Okay, and you don't see any splits or anything like that?
Well, where I see the split is coming back. There's a little bit of separation of that bell. And then that's the main separation right there.
And
that's on your personal section.
Okay.
So what we can do here, let me locate where we're at here. I'm going to come back. We're going to finish the recording out real quick here. So we're back in the 4-inch diameter line right there. Let's zero out our footage one more time. So it looks like we've got about 88 feet of common 6-inch diameter sewer line from where this joins to the Seattle City main. So I'm going to come back now. We're into this 4-inch diameter line. It's the personal line of 12513. Got about not even 5 feet, 4 feet or so of old concrete pipe that needs to be replaced between where your plastic ends and where that common line begins.
But it's not a costly on either.
That's not a custom problem. That's a West problem.
Well, I like to say it's Julie.
Julie problem too. Julie flushes the toilet too on stream. Never ever. There's the cleanout we're making the recording from. And I'm going to end that, and we're going to do a little bit of locating.